Hi guys, welcome to my unboxing video. We're gonna unbox today my brother's new iPhone XR. It's a black edition, 64 gigs. Look closer to the boxes. It's in the middle. On our left side we have an old 5X box. It's much smaller, and on the right side it's a iPhone 6s Plus. It's almost the same size, only a 2 millimeters smaller, the new XR. So we're gonna unbox it. So what we have inside, it's a manual. We have the new iPhone XR Black, charger, and a iPhone headphones, and a USB cable. So now the main attraction. Very nice. Nice glass back. What's inside the manual? It's in Slovak language. Pin and the Apple stickers. So this is the new iPhone XR. Thanks guys for watching. Have a good night. Bye.